True wellness is the wellness of the body, mind, and soul, and sports can play a vital role in fostering this true wellness. Let's start with a few questions. What is mental health according to you? Mental health refers to the cognitive, behavioral, and emotional well being. It is all about how people think, feel, and behave. Mental health is the level of psychological well being or an absence of mental illness. It is a state of someone who is functioning at a satisfactory level of emotional and behavioral adjustment. Are you functioning at that satisfactory level? If yes, then congratulations. Keep up the good work. However, in the 21st century, the cases of mental problems, especially in young adults, are rising. Many people are so much worried with their jobs that they just work, take little or no break, leading to a lot of stress, anxiety, and even depression. Children are also stressed with their studies and exams that they will even study till midnight, but will never think about their mental health. They are just not able to get their me time. And thanks to the COVID-19 crisis, many people have lost their jobs and are now encountering financial problems which has affected their mental health very badly right now. The good news is there is one of the most effective ways to tackle mental health: sports. Yes, sports helps you to lose weight and makes you fitter and boost your stamina. However, it has proven to be beneficial for our mental health as well. Mental well-being involves areas of life such as feelings of satisfaction, optimism, and self-esteem. One way to maintain it is playing sports. Sports has shown to have a strong and positive influence on mental well-being. It can play a role in preventing mental health problems and improve the quality of life of those experiencing them. Participation in regular physical activities can increase self-esteem and reduce stress and anxiety. Sports is proven de-stressor. It forces you to apply yourself fully to the task at hand, leaving behind your worries and thoughts you may have before. Sports releases endorphins, a hormone that keeps you happy while playing. Studies have clearly shown that participating in a sport 1 to 3 times a week reduces psychological distress by 34%. The same goes up to 46% when one plays a sport more than 4 times a week. Sports can be used as a treatment for depression, either as a standalone treatment or as a combined therapy with medication or psychological therapy. Strong evidence shows a 20 to 30% reduction in depression in adults who participate in physical activities daily. Exercise has potential advantages with fewer side effects and perhaps less stigma attached to it as a treatment modality in comparison to counseling or psychotherapy. Limited evidence exists that proves physical activities can reduce levels of anxiety and depression in people with mild symptoms by 20 to 30% and may also be helpful in treating clinical anxieties. Also, there is clear evidence that physical activities reduces the risk of cognitive decline in adults and older adults with a 20 to 30% reduction in developing dementia for adults participating in daily physical activities. Physical activities also seem to reduce the likelihood of experiencing cognitive decline in people who do not have dementia. Physical activities performed in outdoor spaces can improve cognitive performance, self-esteem, and reduce symptoms related to attention deficit disorder. The social benefits can be considered as one of the most significant mental health benefits of sports. Even if you join a team not knowing someone, sports somehow has a way of fast-tracking friendships. Human connection is a very crucial aspect in maintaining a good mental health. Team sports teaches the value of teamwork. Since there is a relationship between social interaction and mental health, connecting with others and adopting a team mindset definitely promotes mental well-being. Playing a team sport simulates camaraderie between people, gives one a sense of belonging within larger groups, and adds a support network that you wouldn't have otherwise. This can be immense to people who suffer from loneliness-related mental issues and have problems fitting in. Playing sports teaches you how to face setbacks. Not every time we win. There are times where we lose. This is something sports teaches us. Dealing with losses or poor performance, learning from it, and trying again is part of our life. Setbacks in sports builds resilience, and this can be carried over into our everyday life. Competitive sports help us to become mentally tough. a psychological skill which is required to increase resilience and adopt a positive attitude. Resilience is now considered a key character trait in building emotional intelligence. The ability to control one's emotional and handle interpersonal relationships as well. Also, it helps us to develop leadership skills which can be useful in our daily life. Whether one plays sport for recreation or as a professional, it is a wellness mantra for both the body and the mind. I know that many of you guys are busy with your jobs and don't get enough time, but it is easy to remove at least 30 minutes from your busy day for some kind of physical activity. You can join a sports club near you, or you can even exercise at home. You can play sports with your friends and family so that you can have some quality time with them. In this way, you can keep yourself physically and mentally fit. You can even reward yourself for doing so. For example, you can eat your favorite meal after doing some exercise for 30 minutes. And in today's time, where cases of mental illness are rising rapidly, we need to spread this knowledge to our family, to our friends, and to the entire world. You literally never know what is going on in your loved one's mind until they do something that shocks you. Thank you.